In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to ChatGPT Business. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make and cover a few tips so everything goes smoothly. First, open ChatGPT and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. That's where your profile menu lives. Click your profile picture or initials to open the menu. In that menu, find and select Upgrade. This takes you to the Upgrade page where you'll see two options laid out as tabs: Personal and Business. Personal is designed for individual use, while Business is built for teams and organizations that need shared billing and more control. For this tutorial, click the Business tab. Now you'll see the available business plans. Take a moment to review what's included so you pick the plan that fits your needs, whether you're a small team getting started or a larger group that needs additional features. When you're ready, choose the plan you want and click Upgrade. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your payment information. Depending on your region, this might be a card, a company card, or a supported digital wallet. Fill out the required fields carefully. Make sure the billing email and any tax or company details, if requested, are correct and up to date. Accurate information helps prevent failed charges or delays. If your browser offers to save payment details, only accept if you're on a trusted device. After you've set up the plan and completed your wallet or payment details, click Subscribe to finish. The system will process the payment, and within a moment you should see confirmation that your subscription is active. From there, you'll be using the business plan, and your billing will reflect the plan you selected. If the page takes a moment to refresh, give it a few seconds rather than clicking repeatedly, which can trigger duplicate attempts. You can revisit the Business tab to review plan details anytime before subscribing. If you don't see the upgrade option in your profile menu, double-check that you're signed in to the correct account. Sometimes access is managed by an administrator, and the option can be hidden for users who aren't allowed to change billing. Also, interfaces evolve, so the wording might vary slightly, but the flow is the same: Profile, Upgrade, Business tab, choose plan, enter payment, then subscribe. That's the entire process. You go to your profile at the bottom left, choose Upgrade, switch to Business, select the plan that fits, provide your payment details, and hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your upgraded experience.